my beautiful butterflies, and welcome back to another session of Cooking with Lori. I really do enjoy each week coming to present a new dish to you. Today I'm doing something very, very simple. I'm only going to be making some subs with some of my own special spreads that I've made and special sauce that I made. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. First, I'm starting out cooking some chicken breast. I just slice these up myself. That's why they look like that. But I'm just about to take these out because I don't want them to be dry. And a great practice, I'm not telling you what to do, but a great practice when you're cooking any meat is not to poke it, you know, when you're cooking it, because all the juices are gonna flow out. All right, so I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna get ready to put some more in. And when all the chicken is done, then we will begin to make our subs. All right. Okay, so I've just placed some butter in here on top of some aluminum foil, and I'm just gonna brown these just a little bit. I just brown the front a little bit, and I'm just gonna brown the back a little bit just the same, and I'm just gonna take it out and then. All right, so now we're ready to start our subs. Some of this is gonna look a little strange to you all because you've never had it. But that's the good thing about being a cook, is you come up with your own recipes, and I love doing that. And each time they all come out delicious. Now, the thing that I came up with is this spread right here. It's called my banana spread. And I'm gonna spread this on the bread. Banana spread. Yep, you got it right, but it's banana spread and it is delicious. Next thing that I'm gonna add on here is whatever you like here, you can put it on your sub, all right? So the next thing that I'm gonna, I don't know how to pronounce this cheese, Gouda cheese, Gouda cheese, but somebody knows how to pronounce it, but that's the cheese that's going on this one, all right? And then the next thing that I'm gonna put on here is cranberry. But it's more than cranberry. It's my own special cranberry sauce that I make. From the bottom, and I don't put the meat first, is so that when I do put the meat, it holds everything down. So whatever you want. Me, let me see, what am I gonna go for? I'm gonna go for the avocado. I love me some avocado. So, and then I'm gonna come over here, grab a few onions. Just a few. And I'll take a tomato and I'm gonna cut that in half. And now I'm going to add my meat. On the top of this is one of my special sauces that I made also. It's a pineapple sauce, and I'm just gonna add some of that on top. And it doesn't take much at all. And that's it for that one. So the next sub that I'm gonna do, because everybody in the house does not like avocado, tomatoes. There's someone in the house that doesn't like some of everything that I have here. I have pickles, I have avocado, and so many other things, but everybody likes what they like. Okay, but everybody loves cheese. So I'm gonna start with some cheese here. And I'm gonna put some tomato. I'm gonna put some pickles. This is yours. Okay, my person who helps me out the most is saying this one is hers. All right, I'm gonna add a few onions on here. So since you say this one is yours, what do you want on it? What else do you want on it before I add the meat?
Okay, so you already got the pickles. Can I get some of them leaves right there?
Leaves, girl, this is spinach. Girl, this is spinach. She talking about, can she have some leaves? All right, do you want vinegar, oil?
Actually, take the onions off.
Take the onions off. Okay, so I'll just put some over here. No problem. Do you want oil, vinegar? Bojo sauce.
Yeah.
This is a special Bojo sauce.
Add the Bojo sauce.
You want
Some of that cheese.
This kind of cheese.
I'll take some of that pineapple mango too.
Parmesan cheese.
Yeah. And I'll take some of that Gouda. Just a little bit of that.
I already put the food. Oh, you want the pineapple? You don't want the cranberry? Berry?
No, I'll take the pineapple. Because I like it. Try not to stop.
All right.
Yeah, that's all.
All right. So now we're ready to add meat.
No, me, I'm a vegetarian.
Oh, take the meat off?
Yeah, take that off. It's like, I'm not a vegetarian.
I was gonna say that's something new to me, honey. Okay. All right. That's Jasmine's sub. That's the kind of sub she likes. All right, and for the third one, Lila, come on, baby. She's gonna help your mama out, so I'm gonna give you the choice to come over here and make your own. Once again, I just want to thank you all for watching. Like I said, you really don't have to, but just the fact that you all enjoy watching my cooking channel, I greatly appreciate it. All right, and I hope you enjoyed the subs that I made today, and I hope you will try some of these. I know that I didn't tell you what I put in the spreads and the oils and things that I made, but one of these days I will do that, but for time's sake. And I know you all don't want to just be, watching in the hour video. So I take my time and I just prep before I come on. But hope you all enjoyed, and until next time, see you later.